Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing good. In this video, I am going to discuss a very important topic, that is the role of teacher in implementing curriculum. So let's start the video. Before going deep, we must understand what is curriculum implementation. Curriculum implementation refers to how teachers deliver instruction and assessment through the use of specified resources provided in a curriculum. Curriculum designs generally provide instructional suggestions, scripts, lesson plans, and assessment options related to a set of objectives. In the process of implementing a curriculum at any level, the teacher's role is very important. So, let's discuss what are the roles that a teacher can play in implementing curriculum. Our first point is that teacher is the sole implementer of the curriculum. So, the teacher can be said as the sole implementer of curriculum in the classroom. The main focus of the implementation is the learner, while the most important person in curriculum implementation is the teacher. Only those teachers who are trainees can play an effective role in defining and implementing the curriculum. The second point is mapping curriculum onto time. The teacher needs to do some careful mapping or determining how the curriculum will fit within the calendar of the school year. So after getting to know the curriculum well, the teacher determines how much time he has to devote to each unit so that the curriculum can be implemented in a given time. Moving to the third point. So what is the third point? That is classroom activities. The classroom activities practiced by a teacher plays an important role in implementing curriculum. The teachers select and decide what to teach from the prescribed syllabus or curriculum. Since implementation takes place through the interaction of the learner and the planned learning opportunities, the role and influence of the teacher in the process is indisputable. Our fourth point is teaching methods. So teaching methods denotes various strategies that the teacher used to deliver his subject matter to the students in the classroom. The effective implementation of any curriculum depends to a large extent on the availability of various methods of teaching. Through his teaching methods, the teacher makes direct use of the curriculum, thereby implementing it. Whenever a teacher is teaching a lesson through the means of various teaching methods, he is implementing the curriculum. I think you all got my point. So the fifth point is work in close proximate with the learner. To implement the curriculum, the teacher needs to work closely with the learner. As the main focus of the curriculum is the learner, only the teacher can understand the psychology of the learner. The learner factor influences teacher in their selection of learning experiences. Hence, there is the need to consider the diverse characteristics of learners in curriculum implementation. The last point that I have mentioned is assessment. Assessment in the form of examinations influences curriculum implementation tremendously. Assessment results provide qualitative information that helps teacher to determine how they might improve courses or programs through changes in curriculum, teaching methodologies, course materials, or other areas. Thus, assessment is very important in the process of curriculum implementation. So from this above discussion, it is clear that only the quality teachers can implement the curriculum successfully. teachers must be involved in curriculum planning and development so that they can implement and modify the curriculum for the benefit of their learners. So that's all for today. If you have any queries, then you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.